What does it mean if a Python object is subscriptable or not? Which types of objects fall into the domain of subscriptable?
It basically means that the object implements the __getItem___ method. In other words, it describes objects that are containers, meaning they contain other objects. This includes strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries.
Off the top of my head, the following are the only built-ins that are subscriptable. But Mapadi's answer is correct. Any class that implements __getItem___ is subscriptable. The meaning of subscript in computing is a symbol, notionally written as a subscript but in practice usually not, used in a program, alone or with others, to specify one of the elements of an array. Now, in the simple example given by user 2194711 we can see that the appending element is not able to be a part of the list because of two reasons. We are not really calling the method append, because it needs to call it. The error is indicating that the function or method is not subscriptable, means they are not indexable like a list or sequence. Now see this. That means there are no subscripts or say elements in function like they occur in sequences, and we cannot access them like we typically do, with the help of. Also, as Mapadi said in his answer, it basically means that the object implements the __getItem___ method, if it is subscriptable. Thus the error produced. Type error, built-in _function__ method object is not subscriptable.
If scriptable. A scriptable object is an object that records the operations done to it and it can store them as a script which can be replayed. For example, C, application scripting framework. If subscriptable. Now, if Alistair didn't know what he asked and really meant subscriptable objects as edited by others, then, as Mapadi also answered, this is the correct one. A subscriptable object is any object that implements the __getItem___ special method, think lists, dictionaries.
I had the same issue. I was doing so using was causing error. It should be arr.append, hi.
Yes,